All right, we got some new extra savings book deals from September 10th to September 23rd. Just came out, and some other deals that I did before. I did them again here. But some new deals. So got let's see. Start with the Sundown vitamins. I got the vitamin D3. It was $5.39, and in the extra savings book from September 10th, just started yesterday. Today is September 11th, so right here to September 23rd, there is $3 off, and this was $5.39. There's a couple other ones that are like $5.19. This one I decided to get. It's $5.39, so you got $3 off. Use that Publix store coupon from the extra savings book, and then there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, making that guy only 39 cents. Let's see some other deal. Now Nick's. This is good. This is the Nick's smak bar. So it's in the dairy next to the Perfect Bar refrigerated section. It was kind of hard to find, but I found it. Regular price is $2.99, and it is the regular price, but there is a Publix digital coupon for a free one. So you gotta love that. However, well, it takes $2.79 off, so almost there. Almost free. And then there's an Ibotta rebate. As I said, I got all my Publix digital coupons clipped, all my Ibotta rebates clipped. The Ibotta rebate takes off $1. It's for keto bar, I think, or another. Anyways, it ended up taking it off. I wasn't gonna argue with him, so that made it a 80-cent overage for that Nick's bar. Keep going. What do we got? Oh, the Airwicks. So yeah, I did this deal again because it came back in Ibotta, and Publix digital coupon takes $3 off. I think it's Essential Mist or something, but it takes $3 off of two of them if you got that clipped. As I said, clip all those digital coupons, and then Ibotta has $3 off of both of these, just regular price, so they come to like $4.28, 3 back from the Publix digital coupon, 3 back from Ibotta, making them $1.72 over. So I did that deal again. Alka-Seltzer Kids, now extra savings book. Yes, they still continued that coupon of $2 off. And these are on clearance. I've seen them for $143. I've seen them for $224, and sometimes it says clearance, and they're just regular price for $4.49. So just check around if you can find that guy. And there's a extra savings coupon. The reason I put these in is it's just a big moneymaker. So $2 off from that if you can find them on clearance, and $1.50 or the dollar off. You know, getting 2 of those would be a $2.52 overage. Light and Fit, hopefully you got that clipped. That's another free digital coupon. It came out a while back, but if you still got it, that was a free one. All right, keep going. You buy Kotex liners. I talked about these. I found some more of them. And if you get lucky enough to have that coupon from the Save, $8.21 makes these guys free, and I'm gonna get to it because I did use them for those. And yeah, let's get to that deal right here. So these were on sale for $2.79. A bunch of them were on sale for $2.79. Those the berries. So but they're back to the regular price of $3.35, but it's okay because as I said, you use that one for $4 off of 2, and then there's a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off of 2. So $3.35 each. You're looking at $6.70 total. And then you got this one, store coupon. You get $4 off, and then the Publix digital coupon took $2 off, making that only 70 cents. However, of course, it rang up wrong. They still had them at $2.79. So Publix promise. Granted, they gave me like another $3.91 to the good. So that was a big moneymaker for me there. But look for these and look for them. They could still be marked $2.79 at your store because there were so many of them that were on sale. At least like 6 or 7 of them were knocked down. A lot of you by Kotex. So look to see if they're still on sale at your store, because it's probably going to ring up the regular price, and you use the coupon, you're going to get a Publix promise, which, let me explain it again. If the price on the shelf is lower than the price at the register, they give you the item for free. They give you your money back for the item and let you keep the item. Now, if you buy 2 of them, they give you the first one free and the next one at the sale price stated, the lower price stated on the shelf or whatever. So Publix promise, you can maybe find that. If not, it's still only 70 cents for both of those. So it's a great deal with that Publix digital coupon. All right, Tate's cookies. I did this one before too, and yes, it came back in Ibotta. There's actually 2 Ibotta rebates. One's for $1.25. Even that will actually work too. As I said, if you have it pre-clipped and you line those edges up right, and you don't, it automatically searches, kind of like Fetch, automatically searches for the deal. And once again, Publix digital coupon is for a free one, so clip that, and then Ibotta took another $1.25 off for me this time, so that was a $1.25 overage on those. All right, some new deals. Folgers coffees. I missed out on this deal in my last video, but I'm gonna add it on this one. They're regularly $5.07 at my store. 2 of them $10.14. However, they're BOGO, so that's $5.07 for both of them. I got the link to print this below. It's $1 off of each one. You can print it twice. I'm not sure if there's a limit on there. Maybe could even get more. Any limit on there? I can't read the fine print that good, but regardless, I got 2 of them. For $5.07. I used 2 of those manufacturer printable coupons. Got the link below to print that, so that took $2 off. Coupons.com also has $1 back. So, when you're getting a lot of stuff like this, press your luck, you can do it. They gave it back to me, so $2.07 for both of those. All right. Also, look the clearance rack for these. I found these on clearance. As I said, they're $1.39, $1.49 with tax, and $1 back from Ibotta. So look for those. Gosh, it'd be nice if I could show you. It's a Health Pop or whatever. That was on the clearance table. So some of these deals you might not find, but you'll definitely find this deal. This is a Hellmann's spicy mayo. So the regular price for these are about $4.99 each, I believe. So 5 of them is around $25. However, they're 2 for $6, so they're $3 each from the extra savings book. It just went on sale yesterday. And there is a fetch offer for 1,500 points, limit of 5. So it's equivalent to about $1.50. There's also an Ibotta rebate, $1.25 back, limit of 5. So just with those right there, they're making them only a quarter each. There's also a Publix digital coupon for 50 cents off. I also did the deal yesterday, and there was a 50-cent off from the Save 828 any Hellmans product. So I was able to use a maximum of 2, and the digital coupon for those all only cost me 75 cents for all 5 of those. But regardless, the best, well, it depends what you want to do, but you can get 5 of them, and you're only going to pay a quarter each, no tax on those. Actually, less than a quarter each. You're gonna pay 20 cents each because you're gonna have that 50 cents. Less than that. Sorry, my math is wrong. You're gonna pay less than 20 cents, about 15 cents each for those of those. You use one of those Publix digital coupon, and maybe another one will come out. Last deal here. Now, if you can find this Dulcolax, it's a bonus size. Regular size is 25, and there's some bonus sizes in there. It was a 30 count, and the coupon states any 30 count or larger, and it came off. It was $3 off, and this is also on sale from the extra savings book. It goes down to $5.59, so that was $3, and then coupons.com has $3 back. They did not approve it, even though the picture is right on that coupons.com thing, but I said, look, 30 count right there, so I'm waiting to hear back. It should be okay. And as I said, I got a lot of stuff in my transaction. I had so spend 30, get $5 off. If you got a Sprouts nearby, shoot me a comment. I can maybe send these out. They're valid to $9.25. So got some time to use that one. 10 off of 75. This one's better. I like this one, of course. 5 off of 30. I guess, 5 off of 30 is a better deal. And it's easy to reach 30 with when you're paying with all coupons. Couple other deals. Flintstone gummies. From this, let's see, there is a $3 off, and coupons.com, if you don't have, you might have that at $3 off, and they're down to $6.70. $3 off came out in this Smart Source today, August 28th, so maybe you can use that. Another deal, Madeira Cream. This was in the Save, $8.28. There's a $6 off, and check your Ibotta if you have that, because I think there's like a $7 off one. Yeah, I bought a rebate, and you combine that with that $6 off, you're going to have, and these are on sale for $16.99 from $19.99, so it makes that a really good deal, like $2.99 each or something. I had already used it, but I still wanted to show you that deal. Indian River Juice is another deal. I don't have it on the table. They're BOGO, and there's a 55 cent off each one, so not the best deal, but if you need some juice. I got the link to print that 55 cent off. As I said, if they're BOGO and you're using coupons, you're doing pretty good. It's an Axe deal. I wanted to do this deal. I want to figure it out for you guys because there's that Unilever digital coupon. If you spend 15, you get 5 off. And I believe this could somehow work. They're $5.99. It's any Axe deodorant, body spray, or body wash, and get a body spray free. The body spray is $5.99, and the other one's $5.99. So that's right there is $12, and you're getting 5 back and 7 backs. So you're 5 back and 6 back. So that's 11, and just got to figure out one more item in there. I just didn't have time, but hopefully I'll have a deal like that. So once again, some extra savings book deals. Let's see, where's my extra savings book? Here it is. Extra savings book deals that September 10th to September 23rd. As you see, there's that says it's free. Tate's right there, and then don't forget the Ibotta rebate. This was another one that was free in there. Once again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Funny looking guy right there. Check out my other paid to shop videos, including my video that I did on Thursday. Today is Sunday. The video I did on Thursday has some of these deals and more deals that I didn't do again, but you can do them. Everybody enjoy their couponing.